everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unhide a game in the Nvidia app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on graphics at the left side. After that, tap on three dots or tap on three horizontal lines that says sort and filter. Now scroll down and you will see an hidden option. Tap on it and tap down. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Unhide program. The game will immediately return to your main game list. You don't need to restart the app. It updates instantly. Go back to your regular game section. You should now see the game added back to your library and ready for optimization or customization. And that's it. We have successfully unhide a game in the app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.